beam is working.
ਉੱਥੇ ਨੀਲੀ ਲਾਈਟ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਹੀ
ਦਿਖਾ ਦੇਣੀ ਬਸ,
ਠੀਕ
ਹੈ ਨਾ।
ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਿਟ ਕੈਬ ਕਰਨਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਣਾ ਲੈਫਟ ਇੰਡੀਕੇਟਰ ਆਨ ਹੋਣਾ ਤੇ ਲੋ ਬੀਮ ਤਾਂ ਉਹੀ ਹੋਣੀ
ਹਾਂ, ਲੋ ਬੀਮ ਤਾਂ ਉਹੀ ਹੋਣੀ
ਲਾਈਟਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ
ਲੈਫਟ ਇੰਡੀਕੇਟਰ ਔਨ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਬਸ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ,
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ।
ਓਕੇ
ਚਲੋ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਸਰ। ਨਾਓ ਆਈ ਗੋ ਆਊਟਸਾਈਡ। ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ YouTube ਤੇ ਪਾ ਦੇਣੀ ਸੀ।
ਪਾਉਣੇ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਕੰਪਰੈਸ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ।
ਓਕੇ,
ਸਾਰਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੋ ਜੂ।
sir, my low beam is working, my left indicator is working, my safety sticker is clean, visible and valid, and my this side of cab no visible damage, my door latches and my door hinges secure. Now I open the emergency box. My footstep secure, no damage. My both fuel tanks, def tank secure, capped and no leakage. My drain valve is operational under the, and my fuel tank no touch metal to metal and capped properly. Now I open the emergency box. Sir, my reflector, my first aid and my and flares are present, and my fire extinguisher is fully charged, stored and pinned properly. My backlight is secure. Back side of the cab no visible damage. My both side reflector sticker is clean and visible. My grab handle is secure but little bit damaged. My trailer air supply valve and electrical line is hanging properly. Now I go under the cab. Sir, my fuel line and my electrical line, no leakage, no arching. My under the cab no visible damage. My all air lines and electrical lines clamped properly, no leakage, no damage. My air tank and fuel tank secure, no leakage. My cab shock and cap airbags both sides secure and no leakage. My battery is fully charged and no loose connection. My catwalk and footstep secure and no damage. My both side quarter fender is secure and in good condition. Sir, here my leaf spring, U-bolt, shocker and airbag secure, no leakage. My both side differential secure, no leakage. Both side brake chamber, push rod, slack adjuster, pin, carter pin, S-cam, brake shoe, brake drum secure, no leakage. Inside rim, outside rim, no crack. Rim to rim connect properly and no debris. Inside tire, outside tire, inside tire, outside tire, no cut, no bulges, no crack, and no flat sign, and tire depth no less than 1.6 millimeter, and pressure is as per manufacturer specification. All my both side my air nozzle valve is capped properly. All my lug nut and axle nut tight and torque and no leakage. Sir, no gap between fifth wheel and trailer. My handle is in lock position. My fifth wheel sliding rail secure. No teeth missing. No damage. This set of wheel I check same like this set of wheel. Sir, now I go under the trailer. Both side mud flap secure and good condition. Both side reflector sticker is clean and visible. Sir, my trailer kingpin is locked around the fifth wheel jaws. Both side airbag secure and no leakage. My left indicator is working. My all lights are working. My license plate light is working, and my license plate is not clean but matched with the front plate. Under the trailer no visible damage, and my landing gear and landing gear supports secure, no damage and in up position. Now I go outside. My crank handle secure and stop properly. Sir, now I start the trailer now. The trailer tractor finish over. Yeah? Front side of the trailer no visible damage. My placard holder is secure. My both glad hands mount properly, no leakage. My electrical cord is secure, no arching. My trailer safety tackle secure, visible and valid. This side of trailer no visible damage. All my reflector sticker 50% is clean, is not clean, but is visible and secure. जो ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਹੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ
Sir, my placard holder is secure. My left indicator is working. Now I go under the trailer. My electrical line and air line hanging properly. My fuel tank secure, no leakage. My both side shocker, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈਗਾ airbag and all suspension secure, no leakage. My both side brake chamber, push rod, slack adjuster, pin, cotter pin, S-cam, brake shoe, brake drum, secure, no leakage. My trailer sliding bogie rail, secure, no damage. Handle and locking bar secure and in lock position. My inside rim, my outside rim, no crack. Rim to rim connect properly, no debris. Inside, outside. No cut, no bulges, no cracks. No flat sign and depth 1.6 millimeter and pressure as per manufacturer specification. My both side air nozzle valve is capped. All my lug nut and hub nut tight and torque, capped and no leakage.